Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to talk only about Bitcoin dominance. Let's dive in. I think it will be just a quick updates for this ticker BTCD, and my targets for altcoin season. Basically, personally for me, absolutely still the same. What I can't know, it's a timing. When we can't know. Maybe we will see the main altcoin season and BTC dominance in this altcoin season zone. I don't know, maybe in zone 26, zone 27, zone 28, because what if we just will stock in this range just for the next 2 years, for example? We can't know just in a moment. But in theory, this is an altcoin season zone where we need to fix that profit. Why? I'm not sure. So we will see the crazy altcoin season this year, because we saw a lot of examples during this cycle how the old patterns, which played out previously, now not in play. So like BTC never hit the all-time high before the halving. BTC never dropped lower than the previous all-time high. So we never seen the ETF. So the world changing, the money flowing between the BTC, the main assets differently, not like in zone 17, not like in zone 21. And now you saw that post, and now over than 35 million tokens exist. And so there's not enough liquidity to pump all of tokens. That's why, guys, technically, of course, this is a zone where I will start fix my profit, on alts 100%. Also, the idea is to fix the profit on alts in zone of distribution during this ride if we will see this move. So it's not it doesn't mean, I just now in alts and I just add notification here and I just wait. I just wait this target. No, if I track, the macro in the world, the geopolitics in the world, the United States Fed rates, a lot of things, I track it and I see there's no sign of some bullish movement for alts. And for example, if we'll be here by end of May, definitely, I don't think so. We'll go down in summer. So if we'll see something like this one, let's go back to monthly time frame. So here, there's no gaps, nothing. So we just hunt maybe the weekly some liquidity, order block. All right, so we can get a reaction at order block. Can we go higher than 64% on BTC dominance? Basically, yes. If we track it like a basic asset by candles, yes, we can go over than this liquidity pool, over than 73%. Is it possible? Technically, yes, because maybe the whales withdraw the money from BTC into stable coins, and after the spring started inflow the same amount of money USDT, in the BTC again. We can't know, guys. So it's all behavior. So when we wait money inflow in the BTC, after that outflow to Ethereum, from Ethereum to low cap tokens, to the middle term to low cap tokens. Now it doesn't work like this one. So the meme tokens perform and the BTC perform. So basically BTC ecosystem, and especially BTC and memes, especially on Sol. All other sectors are slowly dying. That's why, guys, it's hard to say when we will see the main moves on alts. My take is spring zone 25. And once again, we got this pool, this one, this like a target, and of course this one. At this current moment, this is a crucial levels for BTC dominance. Got it. But we can see something like this one, what I tell you about May. If it's just a range, we can form deviation by end of May, for example, at the beginning of June, and then going higher. By end of autumn, we will see another BTC all-time high, and the last one. And only maybe in 2026, we're going down to the altcoin season. So this cycle can be extended in time. And that's the point. My take, of course, the alts can drop fast, can pump faster it's hard to even imagine how low we can drop more. That's why I hope, of course, the BTC dominance slowly but surely going down. At least in 2 months. 2 months we can see, or 3 months. 1, 2, 3. No makes sense to track how it playing out previously in March, April, May, because here the BTC dominance started going down September. From September 19 till September 20. Basically 1 year. After that, we got like January 2021 till September 2022. So 1, 2, 3, a lot of months, guys. But main move, we can drop in 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at least like this one. So let's say if we drop 33% from this block, it should be here. Is it possible to see 1, 2, 3, 4 candles like this one? Basically, yes. So guys, never say never for any bullish case scenario or a bearish one. My take for alts still the same. I wait my targets, but timing, it's hard to say when. Let's take a look what else. Not what else do now. Well, the data on the indicators. So technically, this was the highest point on ADZ in October 2023. After that, we basically formed the craziness, the worrency ever on weekly time frame. Weekly time frame on ADZ. So this is the worrency. So we need to drop. Also, this is a signal to out. So basically to fix the profit from BTC and start or fix in stables, or if re-inflow that liquidity into alts. But this is not a like accumulation zone for BTC. Master time frame, no signal to sell. I mean, no signal to out of BTC. That's why maybe we'll see another new all-time high for BTC in March, April, May, and only after that we're going down. Take a look at the data on a monthly. So sorry, this phone. This was aphrenia. This is disbelief where the alts traded at the bottom. Here's a disbelief capitulation, on BTC. And this was a time to accumulate June 2022, December 2022. Accumulated BTC pump. Now it's aphrenia again. So the last time we saw the aphrenia again on the BTC, it was like April 18. But of course, that time on the markets was not 35 million tokens. Trade on, buy, sell. So recommendation to close that position on the BTC. So here was the main signal to sell, the last one, and we hit new high on BTC dominance, but no signal to sell again. So it's kind of scary, guys. Daily looks absolutely weird. Absolutely weird. I think, yes, we can bounce again because we usually close at the 50% of these weeks, like this one. So we can bounce even to 62 or 63%, 62, 69 could be the best case scenario. Now we can drop a little bit lower, like 59, 78. Everybody starts screaming, we're going to the moon. And in March, we can pump, to 62, 69, and only after that drop to form deviation at the bottom by end of May. Now this is like a range. Last two indicators, money power on the weekly. So there's a lot of signals to out of BTC. Out. Need to see one more out. Money outflow, from on the weekly time frame from BTC. And take profit. Trade on, we track it. Take profit on weekly, it's 72.50. 72.50. So of course, for me, it's hard to even imagine what will be with the altcoins if we BTC dominance go to 72.42. This one, 72.50. It's craziness. So, but take a look. It's not an answer. So we should hit that top, because in December 2020 we didn't hit the top, and alt started pumping. And here, this what I told you. Anyway, sooner or later we can retest again the buy line, but where? Until that time will be the buy line. It's hard to say. Now the buy line on it's time to sell the alts. It's a buy line for BTC. It's 36.49, but the lines are dynamic. Maybe we'll see by, I don't know, November 25. it will be only 41%. That's it. So maybe will be something like this one. Then consolidation, accumulation 2027, 2028 BTC again, and going higher. We will see. We will see. So guys, this is a current situation in the market with the BTC dominance, and I wait these targets. And let's add one more alert to this low. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what is your realistic targets for BTC dominance? Do you wait the BTC dominance higher, or we can start the money inflow from BTC to alts from this current moment? And if you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.